Within the thick jungle of the Amazon rainforest of Guyana, in the heart of Essequibo, is home to one of the most spectacular and breathtaking waterfall there is. The majestic Kaieteur Falls, with its unique combination of height and water volume. Kaieteur is among the most powerful waterfalls on the globe. It has an average flow rate of 663 cubic meters per second. This magnificent wonder plunges to a depth of 226 meters. And have eroded a gorge 5 miles long, with a height 5 times that of Niagara Falls and double the height of Victoria Falls. Kaieteur is the highest single drop waterfall in the world. It is fed by the Putaro River and flows into the mighty Essequibo River. Kaieteur Falls has formed due to erosion processes and is still eroding and retreating today. This eroded soil and eroded sediment in the water of Kaieteur Falls is what gives the water its brownish, muddy-looking hue. Discovered in 1870 by the British geologist Charles Barrington Brown. Legends has it that the name Kaieteur, which literally means old man, was named Kai for one of the tribe's chiefs, after whom the falls is named. To save his people, he committed self-sacrifice to the spirits by canoeing himself over the great falls. This entire region is comprised of 242 square miles, known as the Kaieteur National Park, which is situated on the Guyana Shield, a plateau that is one of the world's oldest and remotest geological formations. It is home to some of Guyana's wildlife and unique creatures. The jaguar, giant otter, the golden rocket frog, and some of its most exotic birds and plants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.